Hello YouTube friends and welcome. Today I have for you a knife that really does not have any name, and I don't know why. Firstly, the knife is made by Fura, or should I say it is distributed through their brand. If you know from the past on my channel, Fura is largely making pens, some impact tools, and also some knives, some smaller knives. Yes, the company is borrowing designs from different knife makers, so maybe also this knife is heavily inspired by a custom. As of the making of the video, I really don't know, or should I say, I'm not recognizing the design. So if you have experience with the design, or you know from which knife the design cues are borrowed or taken, please leave comment down below. And today we will be talk about this titanium frame lock folder. So as you can see, it comes just in a plastic bag with a nice felt pouch. So this is the first time I see at this price point they will give you a nice nice pouch. Not to say that there are companies that are not giving you a nylon pouch. They are, but it is not so frequently seen. Okay. So firstly, the description of the knife is just Fura portable folding knife. I will annotate all informations in the description box. Also, if you like the knife, you want one, I will try to put the site where I bought it into the description, so you can go use the link, check it out. The knife currently, so that is I don't know when you are seeing this video, but at the start of 2018, so around February, March, when this nice knife was released, was available in blue, copper, gray and green anodizations. The knife is made out of TC4 titanium alloy, so it can be anodized. And they are telling us that it has a D2 blade. So here's the knife itself. Has nice milling. And we have a stonewash blade made out of D2. The overall length is 21 centimeters or 8.27 inches. The handle is 12 centimeters or 4.72 inches. The blade is 9 centimeters or 3.54 inches. The blade width is 2.5 centimeters or 0.98 inches, and the blade thickness, so this measurement here, is 3.5 millimeters or 0.14 inches. The weight of the knife is 132 grams or 4.7 ounces. What is really let's say nice on this Fura knife, it is the price to material ratio. So you can get this knife for around $36. So so it depends on the time when you are checking it out. When on sale, it can go as low as 30. So really nice centering. And yes, I did take it apart just because I had to clean it a little bit, of course. And these knives come out of factory, though they are dirty, and that can get you a little bit in problems because of the bearings. So let's see what we have inside of the knife. So firstly, I need to say that the knife was glued down, probably with some power glue. So it was definitely not a thread locker, because as you can see inside, I had to apply the butane torch to the pivot screw to loosening up. It was gagged up inside, and here is also the top portion. As you can see, heavy glue residue. What is good to see that we have a nice plastic cage bearing, so a little bit like the Kershaw KVT bearing system. Internal stop pin, and of course a nice integrated steel insert on the interface, on the frame lock, which also functions as a lock stabilizer or over travel stop. The detent ball could be ceramic, but I don't know for sure. And yes, I did reapply some Benchmade lube to soften up the action. Now it's really smooth. And let's face it, for under $40 for a titanium frame lock with D2 blade, these are even more affordable than the well-known Tucson knives. So if you want this, let's say medium to large knife, so go check out the Fura product. Another mention that I need to tell you is it is the nice pocket clip. You have a nice raised part here, so if you are wearing some jeans and heavy lined or heavy fabric, thick fabric pocket trousers, shorts or pants, then you will appreciate this little design feature on the pocket clip. Okay, so this was the Fura portable folding knife. If you have any questions, please leave comments down below. I will be more than happy to respond. And as always, have a nice day. Bye.